Hello everyone, this video shows you how to update any graphics card you have on your computer. Let's get started. First, open up the device manager to detect what graphics card you have, and to do that just double click on display adapter and it should show you just like this. You can see that I have 1050 Ti and Intel USD 630. The first solution for you will be updating your graphics card by right-clicking on this adapter and click on Update Driver and click on Search Automatically Driver. Now, what this will do is it will check all the Windows source for your adapter, and if it detects the accurate driver, then it will install it automatically. Also, I would recommend you guys to update your Windows 10 by going to Windows Update, because most of the driver is installed from the update as well. Now, if this does not work for you, then you guys will need to install it manually. So to install manually, you will need to search your graphics card model on the web. Go to Google and search graphics card model number and name. Here in my case is UHD Graphics 620 by Intel. So just now at last type driver and you will get the latest driver of your desired model number. Also, same thing with Nvidia and AMD card. Just search like GTX 1050 Ti driver and click on the first link. Also, there's a driver tab in Nvidia website for Nvidia users. Now from there you can manually search your exact model number of your graphics card and simply download and install the driver. It should be working fine. If it is still not working for you, then I would recommend checking your motherboard's graphic card slot and also graphic card itself. Also make sure to check your HDMI, DPI or DVI cable and its port. That's it guys. Check this playlist for more awesome Windows 10 tutorial just like this. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.